Hello, I'm David Ryman from Rymans Driving School. I'm going to demonstrate a manoeuvre, pulling up on the right, reversing 2 car lengths and moving away safely. So we're doing the pulling up on the right, reversing 2 car lengths and driving off manoeuvre. So pull up on the right, checking centre right mirror, staying about just under 3/4 of a turn this occasion, looking ahead to see if I'm straight wheel, checking the spot mirror, pulling up gently, secure the vehicle, park and brake neutral, selecting reverse gear, looking around, right hand high, left hand low, so I can turn my back and look at the back window, trying to keep the steering wheel straight. Take the long view down the road. I can see a white van behind me. I'm going to use that to line myself up, and I'm also checking my right spot mirror to make sure I'm straight, and look at the white van again. Pull up away from driveways, secure the vehicle again. Now the car's secured, I'm going to check accuracy. I'm happy with that. It's about a tire's width from the curb, and I'm going to drive off, looking around right to left, making sure we're safe. I'm returning to the left hand side of the road and driving off.